Good day and welcome to Ademola Urban Services, and today we'll be dealing with advanced pivot table. So when we talk about the advanced pivot table, that is when you turn your table to charts. So absolutely, I want you to understand that we are still on mobile. So mobile is not up to Excel for web. The same thing, Excel for web is not as powerful as the actual Microsoft Excel, which is of the desktop version. So it might be difficult to achieve something, but at least to some extent you'll be able to come up with something meaningful. Now let's also want to take this first table and turn it to a chart. So you just click on this data without the total table. Then after we are done with that, so I can now say click on insert. So I actually use some accessory that I bought from Saddle Prime. That is what I call it, a phone kit and a tag. So once you click on it, next thing to do is for you to how do I call it, insert. You can see insert abi. So instead of you going to insert, just come to this area. You can see this area is like a chart area. You click on here, you see several other chart types that you can use. If I want to use this something of a 3D chart, so click on it, see it comes here. Right now, as you've created a chart, for this, one thing that we can do is that we can right click on it to adjust and modify it. So I can say format, click on this format, or I come to this up here. Anything that is showing up here, these are the area that you can format your this thing. So now that I've been on format, let's say I want to edit my chart title. Click on this arrow. The inside of this total that is there as my chart title, you can see says by region. Alright, then I press enter. You can see around here it has changed. Alright, then here also, let me toggle in. So let's say the legend. So we have legend here. So let me untoggle it. Let's see what happens. Hanging. So at least it should have. It's not hanging. It should have switched off. No sound. It's still hanging. So legend. This one is legend. So if I toggle, if this place will be able to toggle off, it will off. You don't see it. Then the next one is horizontal axis. So the horizontal axis, I can customize anything I want. So the tick mark that are there, major size, minor size, so some are none. So if I should click on none, for the major size is none, minor size is none, then the categorical intervention or other vertical axis is automatic. Labels no. So font and the likes and the likes and the likes and the likes, you can see. Let's check on vertical axis. So the vertical axis, you can see where other things that are there at the vertical axis. Alright, so these are so many things that you can do and check and yourself. Then we have the series total, so you can see everything is there. The data tables. So all these things, you want to work them, you just have to try them one after the other. So vertical. Alright, now let me see this name here. This one now I can change this one to another color. Let's say I want to use this orange color. Click on it and it's changed to orange. So these are what you can do with your advanced pivot table formatting techniques. So see you next time. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.